Sorry to see you in the same angle. Of course, I'm shooting multiple videos, so I have to do it in the same place. Not luxurious enough to have multiple places. Of course, I have, but not comfortable shooting elsewhere because of sound issues or audio issues. But yeah, welcome back to another vlog, guys. So like I discussed some time before, you already know for the fact that I've got the race suit very long before itself. There was a bunch of data that was on the other memory card. I had to buy the memory card to move it. So this is a race suit from SPRS. You're gonna see how I look and once I wear it. I will also explain you a bit in the next riding video itself. So watch that. Meanwhile, I'm just gonna only show these, maybe sort of an unboxing thing or how exactly the race suit would look like. I'll just swap the video. You're gonna see the race suit. I'll just show you as well. Yeah. So just stay. Alright. So this is the race suit. It looks so bad on the video, I don't know, but it's actually a pretty good race suit. So this is pure leather race suit and it's a full one-piece race suit. Alright, so this is the race suit. I'm going to start from the bottom. So this is the one that you use for cornering. Of course, you can remove this. You have a Velcro. I am planning to paint this in neon. I don't know whether it's going to look too flashy, but I'm thinking. So you also have the knee protector, and it's going to come with till tibia. Tibia is a bone below knee. It's going to cover till here, and then of course for sliding purpose you have this. It's same on the both the sides. So there is absorption thing here. It's a solid thing. Oh my god, my nail hurts. So this here, while you put the race suit, of course you have the zip to remote, so you can just remove the zip. Just a second, and remove the zip like this, and you have a soft comfort here, so you can leverage it. And then you have the entire race suit itself, and you have this here on the other side to put your hands, of course. And here it has been covered from elbow side. It's sort of carbon, but I'm guessing it is carbon fiber. I don't know, I might be wrong as well. So here it starts from the elbow until covers almost pretty much till forearm, and I wear a full glove, so that is protected as well. And then you have the shoulder armor here, that is also there. Here it is there, and the other side for this one. And then once you open the race suit, let me open this for you. This is the race suit. You also you can see it is slightly perforated, so you won't feel so hot. I think only thing that you can feel is when you wear it actually. And then you also have a small thing where you can add your number for emergency, or contact person number, of course, not ours. And this, you have a chest protector here, so you can actually put it as an insert. So this, it did not come with a chest protector, so I had to put my Alpine Star chest protector here, and of course here as well. Then the back protector has been pre-installed from them, so that is there. And then of course if I flip it back, you also have that hump here, right? So, and from rear it's going to look like this, and this is a 56 euro. And so like I said, it's a 56 euro. I was able to fit into 54, 52 as well, but I took an extra size because, like I said, my body tends to go up and down, so it's very fluctuating. It's not consistent. Sometime I put on, sometime I lose weight, so that's how my body type. So this is the unboxing or the overall review about it. I'm going to share my experience in the next riding video, where you can try to understand how exactly I feel on the race suit. And then of course you can see how exactly I look wearing the race suit as well. So I'm going to share some experience in the next video, so watch on that, right? So with that, I hope you liked the video. And this suit was from SPRS. I paid about like 45-55 depends on the budget. So when I got it was about like 45,000. So it might vary, depends on the availability. You also get in two different colors. The neon part is replaced by white, and you also have it in red. So I think neon looks good, but again, open for choices, right? Everyone have a different perspective. So with that, folks, I'll see you in another video, another content, another travel story. See you. Bye.